Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rubic token. Now this token is being listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is RBC. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, RBC is being listed on a central exchange April 4th at 8 o'clock UTC time. It's being listed on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RBC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, yes, Mexc Global, April 4th. 8 o'clock UTC time. And if you follow Mexc Global on Twitter at Mexc_global, you can see a Kickstarter event happening before that from April 3rd until April 4th. So check out that Kickstarter event. So Rubic is a cross-chain tech aggregator for users and dApps. Our vision is that Rubic's new umbrella SDK will aggregate the best Web3 cross-chain technology from signals and oracles to tokens and NFT bridges in ready-made templates for DEXs, lending, farming, and more. This will help developers easily make their Web3 dApps cross-chain regardless of what their function is. Right now, Rubic aggregates 40 major blockchains, 90 plus DEXs, and bridges, and enables swapping of 15,500 plus assets with the best rates, highest liquidity, and transaction speeds in one click. Users can do it on app.rubic.exchange, but we also provide tools for dApps to enable cross-chain swaps. On top of that, Rubic's app and our cross-chain widget provide fiat on-ramp services, making crypto easy to access and buy. So Rubic's functionality can be implemented by any crypto project willing to become interoperable with an easy-to-install widget and fully customizable SDK. Today, 130 out of 2,150 live dApps currently operating on the market have become interoperable with Rubic, which accounts for 6% of the total live dApps on the market. We plan to expand Rubic's dApp share and reach 25% of the total market of dApps in 2023. Rubic's tech remains sustainable and secure. We never keep the user's funds on our front end, and every transaction is conducted via API by sending calls to provider smart contracts. So Rubic is the ultimate solution for users and projects that seek to harness cross-chain, aggregating blockchains, bridges, and decentralized exchanges. Rubic is the all cross-chain solution aggregator for users and dApps, token and NFT bridges, signals, oracles, and smart contract executors. So their business model here, our future revenue model is based on several streams. Revenue share with bridges, blockchain integration fees, transaction fees, protocol SDK subscription fees, project widget custom fees, and their aggregator it says, on Rubic, you can swap 15,500 plus tokens across 40 plus blockchains in one click. Due to the aggregation of 90 plus DEXs and bridges, Rubic provides efficient transaction routing and speed and the best rates. So Rubic is fully decentralized and no KYC is required. Security is a priority for Rubic. 24/7 support is granted. As opposed to bridges, you will always have sufficient liquidity for swaps. Your funds always stay in your wallet and never on app.rubic.exchange. Transactions time takes a couple seconds, a maximum of 3 minutes. You don't need to use a single cross-chain bridge or DEX to migrate your funds. No need to spend money on high fees with Rubic. Everything goes easily. Connect your wallet. Choose a source token and source network. Choose a target token and target network. One click and swap, and you're done. So why swap with Rubic? As an experienced cross-chain platform, Rubic elaborated the unique features that make user experience even more pleasant. You don't necessarily swap the funds and send them to your wallet. You can type in any wallet address and get the funds when swapping. You can always check and keep track of your transactions in My Trade section. If you want to pay more or fewer gas fees, you can always change it in the settings. However, keep in mind Rubic chooses the most appropriate gas fee provider choice. So on Rubic, you can choose a preferred cross-chain provider after the transaction route has been calculated. And liquidity split will also be coming soon as well. Tokenomics are on here. So RBC is an ERC20 token that has recently moved to a new contract address, and you can find that on their white paper. Under tokenomics, you can find their white paper at docs.rubic.finance. And the Rubic token serves as fuel for the Rubic's ecosystem and has the following token utilities: SDK subscription and integration service fees in RBC, grant programs for SDK integrators that will be covered in RBC, governance, token holders can participate in decentralized decision making, lower fees for RBC holders, cut costs of cross-chain calls, exchange fees, and gasless fees, and distribution of partner airdrops to RBC holders. So besides that, there is going to be Rubic NFTs, staking. There's going to be drops to holders. There is a roadmap, very lengthy roadmap that you can go over on their white paper that I just mentioned. So it says there is a max total supply of 1 billion RBC tokens. If we go over to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,881 holders. And token price is around 2 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap, $2.2 million and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.